Makers, something we don't get in very often. And I grabbed a wood called Sneezewood. We've got a nice batch of figured Sneezewood in stock. So when I say figured, it means, can you see these designs, these little designs? These designs go right through the wood. It's not just at the surface. The actual wood is figured like that. That's why it's called figured wood. So we've got camphor bush. We've only got this 10 blocks of camphor bush, and we've got 20 blocks of Sneezewood. So Sneezewood is an exceptional wood. Camphor bush is an exceptional wood. Very, very beautiful. Grab them while we got them. They're only 175 a block. Z out.